In this video, I'll be covering the build of this mobile phone controlled buggy. Because it uses differential drive, you can easily swap out the tyres for tracks and have a tank. I'll be basing the build around this 3D printed battery holder. There's a power switch on one end, and I've just used some cheap battery terminals from eBay. It fits a single 18650 lithium battery, and it has studs running down either side of it so you can attach Lego pieces to it. You can find the links for the files to print one of these in the description. Now that the frame is built, I'll add the electronics. I'm adding 2 N20 motors at the front. And a ESP32 with a DRV8835 driver attached to it. If you want to see how I designed and built these parts, just have a look at my other videos. If you're going to use wheels for this vehicle, the vehicle should be as short and as wide as possible. This reduces the drag when you're trying to turn. And now it's time to go for a drive.